Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can win dispute as a seller on PayPal. So I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to log into your account. Instead of that, you have to type in www.paypal.com/dispute. You can also find the link on my description box below. And once you're logged in, on the other interface, you'll be directed to the home page. On the home page, you have to tap on activity in the top left, and once you tap on it, next interface you have to select the transaction that you want to dispute. So as you tap on it, on the other interface you have to provide a description of your issue. So what you have to do is you have to escalate your dispute to claim, which means that you have to tap on escalate to payment, which is right at the bottom. So what you need to do is you have to forward the support email to PayPal's dedicated address. So after that, all you have to do is wait patiently until PayPal notify you. So that is how you can win dispute as a buyer on PayPal. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.